Shapes are fun, shapes are cool. We find them everywhere at home and school. Look around, what do you see? Shapes are here for you and me.
What's this pointy shape? It's a triangle. Come on, let's sing a song.
1, 2, 3, side I see. A triangle stands tall like a tree, pointy and sharp at the top, so high. Look at the roof and the slice of pie. Triangles are strong, they're all around, in pyramids and traffic signs on the ground.
Did you enjoy the triangle song? I loved it. Can you name something shaped like a triangle? Nice work! A slice of pizza, a road sign, and a tent are all shaped like triangles. Here comes a rectangle.
Hey!
It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
A rectangle is big and wide, like a door or a bus we ride. 2 long sides and 2 short sides, it's a shape we see far and wide. A bone, a chocolate bar, rectangles are never far.
Can you name something shaped like a rectangle? Great! A notebook, a TV screen, and a chocolate bar are rectangles. Shape is a circle.
Hey! A circle is round, it has no end, like the moon, a wheel or a coin we spend. Rolling, rolling round and round, you'll find circles all around. Look at the clock, the sun in the sky, and the tires are all on by. Hey!
Can you find something around you that looks like a circle? Great job. A pizza,
Yummy, yummy.
a clock, the sun are also circles. Next, we have a square.
A square has sides all the same, a window or a picture frame. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides we see. This shape is just so easy to be. Look at the table, a present too. Squares are everywhere, that's true.
It has 4 equal sides. Can you count the sides with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you name something shaped like a square? Super! A book cover, a gift box, and a chessboard are all squares. This shape looks like a stretched out circle. It's an oval.
Hey!
Come on, let's sing a song.
Not quite round, but long and neat, like an egg or a running track for feet. Oval shapes stretch out wide. In an oval shape balloon we ride. We ride, look at a rugby ball, oh so cool. Ovals are shapes that move.
That is funny. Can you see something that is oval shape around you? Awesome! A rugby ball, a watermelon, and an egg are oval. Look, this shape looks like a kite. It's a diamond.
Hey!
Come on, let's sing a song.
Shining and bright up in the sky, a diamond shape makes kites fly high. It has 4 sides just like a kite. It shines so bright in the sunlight. Playing cards and road signs too. Diamonds are shapes we see through.
Can you point to something shaped like a diamond? Good job. A kite, a road sign, And some playing cards have diamond shapes. Wow! This shape shines in the sky. It's a star.
Hey!
Come on, let's sing a song.
Twinkle, twinkle, shining far. 5 bright points make up a star. Look at the night sky so high above. A shining star is full of love. Stars are bright, they help us see in the sky and under the sea.
Can you point to something shaped like a star? Perfect. A starfish. Christmas decorations are shaped like stars. What shape is this? This shape shows love and kindness. Yes, it's a heart. Come, let's sing a song.
A heart is special, big and sweet, like a hug when friends meet. Look at a balloon or a chocolate treat. A heart shape makes it all complete. Full of love and kindness too. Hearts are everywhere, it's true.
Can you point out what is heart-shaped here? Perfect. Balloons, chocolates, and this box are shaped like hearts.
Shapes are here, shapes are there. We find shapes everywhere. Great job, you learned them all. See you soon, keep shining bright.
Orange Kids.